First up is the color red. Red is bold and bright, like an apple or a fire truck. Next is orange, just like a juicy orange fruit or a friendly tiger. Orange is warm and fun.
Here comes yellow. It's as bright as the sun and as happy as a smiley face. Yellow makes everything sunny. Now we see green. Green is everywhere, like the grass in the park or leaves on the trees. Green means life. Here comes blue. Blue is calm and cool, like the big sky or the ocean waves. It's such a peaceful color. Let's say it together. Now let's look at indigo. It's a deep, dreamy color, like the night sky. Indigo is mysterious and magical. And last, but not least, is violet. It's a soft purple, like beautiful flowers. Violet is so lovely. Let's say it together. Violet.
Red, orange, yellow too. Green and blue, indigo, woo. Violet's last, what a sight. Colors dancing, pure delight. When the sky, oh so high, a rainbow shines, oh my, oh my. Red, orange, yellow too, green and blue, indigo, woo! Violet's last, what a sight. Colors dancing, pure delight.